Types of streams: consequent, subsequent, antecedent streams. Consequent streams. These streams follow the slope of the initial land surface. Subsequent streams, where there is a slope, there they start to flow up. These are subsequent streams. And antecedent streams. These streams, those which are able to maintain their original course of uplift. Okay, and superposed streams. Geological events may strongly control the course of stream. Streams following the dendritic pattern on the horizontal bedrock. Younger formation may erode through it to expose the underlying strongly folded and faulted rocks of varying hardness. Over the older rock, the stream's course will not easily adjust a wholly new drainage pattern appropriate to structure of rocks. Such streams are called superposed streams. Superposed streams do not show any relation to the structure of underlying rocks. Okay. The development stages of valley development: youth stage and mature stage and old stage. There are mainly three stages. Okay, first one is youth stage, where position. Okay, the youth stage is commonly found in the mountain regions from where stream starts its journey. Okay, erosion down cutting is dominant here. Valley narrow is V-shaped. Longitudinal profile. Longitudinal profile is undergraded. The gradient is steep. Waterfalls and rapids are common here. Valley floor. The stream occupies most of the width of the valley floor. As a result, there is a little or no floodplain. Okay. Stream pattern. The stream course is angular and without meanders. Okay. Tributaries are short and few. Mature stage. A stream is said to be mature stage when downward corrosion diminishes and lateral corrosion dominates. Downward corrosion diminishes मतलब ये कम हो जाता है और फिर ऐसे ऐसे बहना कम हो जाता है और फिर ऐसा बहना ज़्यादा हो जाता है. ओके, तब मैच्योर स्टेज में पहुंच जाता है. मैच्योर स्टेज इज फाउंड इन द प्लेन लाइन एडजेसेंट टू द माउंटेन. मतलब माउंटेन है, ये प्लेन है, तो यहाँ से यहाँ बह के यहाँ जब यहाँ पे जो रहता है ना, इसे बोलते हैं मैच्योर स्टेज ऑफ द रिवर. मैच्योर स्टेज नहीं बोलते हैं, तो प्लेस बोल लो, कुछ भी बोल लो. इस स्टेज में ऐसा होता है, मैच्योर में ऐसा होता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सब प्लेन्स बन जाती है रिवर की वजह से. Erosion down cutting is light and side cutting becomes dominant. Valleys broad and trough shaped. Longitudinal profile. Waterfalls and rapids are absent. Valley bottom is graded so that longitudinal profile exhibits a relatively smooth curve. The gradient is moderate. Valley floor. The stream swings in meanders. The floodplains are narrow and sandbars are present. Stream pattern. The stream moves in meanders. The tributaries are many. In old stage. Okay, now is old stage. ओल्ड स्टेज हमने देखा था ना, मेंढर कल वो सब बनने लगते हैं, प्लेन्स बहुत ज़्यादा ही हो जाती है और फिर बहुत कम माउंटेन रेंजेस रहती है इनके आसपास. ओके. Position. The old stage is found near the mouth of the streams, where most of the plain is present. Erosion. In the old stage, the stream rises to enlarge the floodplain. The main work of the stream is to rework the unconsolidated sediment of the floodplain. Valley becomes wide and open with low boundaries which may indistinct. Longitudinal profile. Gradient becomes very low. Okay, the stream approaches has base level and it aggregates strongly. Oxbow lakes are common. The natural leaves are present, and the Yazoo tributaries swam back. The meander belt is narrower than the valley floor. Stream pattern. The stream pattern is meandering with oxbow lakes. The tributaries are few and large. Okay. Here we can see rejuvenated lakes, river terraces, etc. Okay. Now the cycle of erosion. To understand the cycle of evolution of a landscape, let us start with a relative flat, unplanned area in a humid region. During the youth stage, the area remains more or less flat. The stream valleys are generally narrow. Okay. In mature stage, the relief of the land increases and the landscape is changed into one consisting of hills and valleys. The relief of an area may be defined as the maximum difference in the elevation. In old stage, the streams will approach base level and the land will reduce to a peneplain. The land will reduce to a peneplain. The peneplain is undulating plain which lies near to base level. Some mounds or hillocks of hard rocks still persist. These hillocks are called monadnocks. Monadnocks. Okay. Now let's understand the rivers and engineers. Rivers present many practical problems to civil engineers, some of which are follows. Rivers require construction of bridges across for carrying highways and railways. Water power for rivers utilized to generate hydroelectricity. Okay, dams. Okay, and navigation and flood control. Importance of construction of river deposits are important source of construction material. Okay, life source of artificial reservoir reduced considerably by river deposits. Flood control, construction of levees. Okay, the levees are longitudinal embankment which are built along the river to check the overflow of the excess water. To check the excess water during flood, the levees not only confine the river water into the channel but they also increase bed erosion and keep channel clean. Leaves keep the channels clean. Degrading. The process of removing the sediment deposited at the bottom of the river channel. Degrading is costly affair as it has to be carried out all the time. Construction of check dams. The construction of check dams for controlling flood is very useful method. The check dams are usually built on small tributaries streams which regulate the flow of main river. Diversion of river water. Shortening course of meandering river. The, the form meander are cut directly to form early. River training. The river training is mainly connected with the improvement of the river channel for navigation. The various river training measures are as follows. Dredging is done to remove sand, slit and deepen the river channel. Training walls are constructed which restrict the flow of water to U channel and it enhances the scouring effect of the water currents and keeps the channel clean. Low griots and constructed which concentrate the flow of river water in the required portion of the channel. Work of glacier. A glacier is a thick mass of ice. Oh, it's a glacier. Okay. Now we have completed the water types of fall. Now let's understand glacier. Glacier is a thick mass of ice. It's glacier. Okay, thick mass of ice is known as a glacier. Okay, moves over the groundwater. The influence of gravity due to influence of the gravity. Snow melts in summer. Okay, the snow line is the lower limit of the accumulating snow. Below the snow line, the snow melts in summer. The elevation of the snow line varies considerably. In polar regions, it may be at sea level, whereas in areas near the equator, the snow line may occur at 6,000 meters. In the Himalayas, the snow line lies at the altitude varying between 4,200 to 5,700 meters. Okay. Types of glaciers: valley glaciers, predominant glaciers, and ice sheets. Valley glaciers: the glaciers which originate near the crests of the high mountains and move along the valleys like rivers are called valley glaciers. Predominant glaciers: at the end of the hill region, a number of valley glaciers may unite. Valley glaciers where they unite to form a comparatively thick sheet of ice. Such compound glacier is called pediment glacier. Ice sheets: these are massive accumulation of ice covering extensive areas. Two such glaciers that exist today are are in mm, Greenland and Antarctica ice sheets. The Greenland ice sheets cover an area of about 1.7 million square meters kilometers and is over 1500 meters thick, 1.5 kilometers thick. Movement of glaciers. Most of glaciers move at the rate of few meters per day. Okay,